Welcome to Mahasri 4 Electric Zone, your Telugu guide for electrical engineering made easy. In this video, we'll learn how a DC generator generates EMF with simple explanation and diagrams. EMF generation in a simple generator. Let's understand how EMF is generated in a simple DC generator. We take a single-turn coil ABCD rotating clockwise in a uniform magnetic field, as shown in Fig. 1.1. Position 1. The coil is parallel to the magnetic flux. No flux is being cut, so the generated EMF is 0. Position 2. The coil cuts some amount of flux. A small EMF is induced, as shown at point 2 in the waveform. Position 3. The coil is at 90 degrees to the flux. It cuts the magnetic field at the maximum rate, so the induced EMF is maximum, as seen at point 3 in the sine wave. Position 4 and 5. As the coil rotates further, the EMF decreases. At position 5, the coil is again parallel to the flux, so EMF becomes 0. Position 6 to 7. Now the coil moves under a pole of opposite polarity. The EMF reverses direction and reaches maximum in reverse at point 7. Position 8 and back to 1. The EMF again reduces to 0 as the cycle completes. So we observe one full sinusoidal cycle of EMF in one revolution of the coil. Why the EMF is alternating? The induced EMF in the coil is alternating in nature because the coil sides move under north and south poles alternately. But we need direct current. That's where the commutator comes in. Action of the commutator. The commutator is a metal ring split into two segments, C1 and C2, separated by mica. The coil ends AB and CD are connected to these segments. Two carbon brushes rest on these segments and collect current. Half rotation. After half a turn, the coil sides change position under opposite poles, but the commutator also rotates, reversing the connection to the brushes. The result? The current direction through the external circuit remains the same, even though the EMF in the coil is alternating. This is how the DC generator converts alternating EMF into direct voltage using the commutator. The brushes help deliver this voltage to the external load. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do give it a like, share with your classmates, and don't forget to subscribe to Mahasri 4 Electric Zone for more clear and simple engineering concepts in Telugu.